It's really easy to switch from a universal firmware to Bitcoin-only firmware to make sure you're secure if you're using Bitcoin only. In the Trezor Suite, this is how you do it. Go to Settings, go to Device, and then scroll down until you see the firmware section, and the type of firmware that you have. If you're using universal, will say that, and it should have a button to switch to Bitcoin only. So let's click on that. Now, before you proceed, make sure you have your seed phrase backed up, because it will wipe the data on your device. If you don't have your seed phrase saved, written down, easily recoverable, and if you don't know what that is, please do not do this. But if it's safe and secure, you can go ahead and it should start transitioning your device from universal to Bitcoin only. It'll ask you to confirm that on the device, install firmware, and confirm by pressing down on both keys. Shouldn't take more than a minute or two, and the device should restart. All done. Done successfully. Let's close that, and you should then be able to see your current firmware type. Now, if you ever want to go from Bitcoin only to universal, there's no button, but I've created a tutorial on that because it took me a while to fiddle around and figure that one out. So check that out if you need to go the other way. If you have any questions, please do ask me below. Otherwise, like, subscribe, share this video. See ya.